In addition to that, another mistake that people are going to do regarding salads, like have you seen these breads? Many times I go to certain places and I saw like they fried bread, like these bread pieces, especially white flour bread, they fry it. After frying, they mix it with some green sauces and green leaves and some green mixtures of leaves and vegetables, just to enhance taste, just to have crunchiness in the salads. So this kind of combination is no good for health, because anyway salads you are eating for making your digestion better. And that's too, you are eating empty stomach according to Ayurveda rules, like first fruits, then salads, then sprouts, then any nuts, and then anything cooked food. So this is the sequence of Ayurveda which we are following when we are having full meals. But now what we are doing, we are, in place of salads we started using flour, actually white flour. No, the bread is made up of white flour. So when you started using bread in this way, so it will not it sounds salad, but it is not actually a salad, it's a cooked food. And the purpose of eating these salads is to enhance health. But if you are eating white flour in place of these vegetables, so definitely it will not yield any health. So these kind of mistakes you don't do. Don't put bread crunch in salads, because it will not yield any health to you. Just keep these raw things raw, cooked things cooked, and don't mix it up. So it's very, very important while you are making any dressing for a salad. In addition to that, in India especially, many times this happen in people are having boiled vegetables, and in these boiled vegetables in the form of salad, they are putting a lot of sauce, a lot of ketchup, chili ketchup, and huge amount of garlic and chili, and very big spoons of spices, so that it become very tasty. But this also, if you are eating salad, if you are health conscious, you need to avoid these spices into as a dressing in these salads, because as I mentioned, in Ayurveda there is a proper way to have spices. It is not some kind of garnishing that you sprinkle from up from the top just to enhance taste. If you are having spices, spices are good for your digestion. Ayurveda supports spices because these spices are herbs. But if you are overusing it, then definitely it will not yield any health, though it will cause harm to the body. At the same time, if you are just sprinkling spices over it and you are not cooking these spices in a proper way, like there is a certain temperature of the oil that is needed where you need to put spices. So all these things are extremely important. And if we are sprinkling spices just as a topping, just as a decoration, so these kind of things will not yield health to us. When we are eating salads with the purpose that our health will be nourished well, then it is very important that you eat it in a certain way, so that body will accept it and your health will become better. Not in a way like just for your taste of your tongue and it will just destroy your body. So it's very, very important, like if you are having these salads, you eat it in a certain way. Fruits, please eat separately. Don't mix salads with fruits with each other. Don't add creams on these vegetables, the various kind of milk creams people are putting. These creams will not make your health better, though salads you are eating for making your health good. But these various kind of sauces, various kind of creams which you think we are eating salads, it's very healthy, but these various kind of sauces which are being made long back, they are not so good for your health. So if you are eating these salads with a health purpose, don't mix these various kind of sauces or milk products into them. Eat salads as salads, then only it can yield health for you. One more thing people are doing these days, they are adding pasta in the name of salads, that is pasta salad. They add certain leaves and it includes pasta also, and they are saying it's a pasta salad. But as I mentioned, salad is, the purpose of salad is either it should be uncooked, raw, fresh, or it should be boiled. It should not be mixed with those things which contains white flour. So if you are eating white flour, as you know, white flour in Ayurveda, there is total no for white flour. If you are eating flour, you need to have at the end this flour, and that's too whole grain flour. You can't mix with salads these pastas, because no question, maybe it will enhance taste, but it will not enhance health. One more very common mistake that people are doing, that they are adding curd and honey together as a dressing while making salads. So if you are also adding this, so it is a total wrong combination according to Ayurveda. When I am saying about salads, please keep it very simple. Like, there is no rocket science in salads. If you want to have healthy salads, it's very simple. Like, either it should be boiled for 10 minutes or steamed, or just use it raw if you have well digestive fire. So it is very simple. You can, for taste, you can either sprinkle little bit of pepper, salt or lemon. These are the only dressings that you can use just to nourish your body and enhance your digestive fire. Other all things like putting honey and 1 spoon of curd and then 1 spoon of ghee just to make any taste. So these are total wrong combinations according to Ayurveda, and you will see if you eat these kind of salads, after some time you will see like your skin become itchy, a lot of itching in the skin sometimes, or some skin disease that is very commonly happens. Sometimes also happens bloating, you know, stomach feels pain after you eat something uncooked, then you say like uncooked food is bad. But actually many times it happens that we are doing these small mistakes, like either adding chili powder or adding ghee and curd together. Curd and ghee are both good for health, but separately, not mixing in a salad. So these combinations are extremely bad. Sometimes people by mistake also add jaggery. Some people also add jaggery, ghee and curd together as a dressing. They mix it up as a dressing, they put in a salad. So this is totally no combination according to Ayurveda, and it will yield very bad health. These days one more common mistake that people are doing, they are adding meat pieces or eggs on the name of salad. Like, it's fish salad, it is prawn salad, it is this or that, it is seafood salad and all these kind of things. So when you are saying seafood, please take it as seafood. Don't call seafood as salad, because salad contains, according to Ayurveda, vegetables or some leaves like spinach and these kind of things, spinach, lettuce, these kind of things. So these prawns, fishes and everything, if you are mixing all these things in the name of salads, these are not salads. And especially when you go to some restaurants, they have these options like fish salad, prawn salad. So these are not salad, they are just name, they are using salad. According to Ayurveda, it is not salad at all. So it's very important, if you are health conscious, you pay attention and take care of your health. I am not against prawns or fish or something. If somebody has this choice, they want to eat it and that's the only option you have. But don't mix it with green things. You first have your fruits. Whenever you want to have your fruits in the morning, you can have fruits, or afternoon. After that you can have salads, after that you can have sprouts, after that you can have any nuts if you want, that also soaked one. And after that you can have your any food like seafood if you want to have, or any cooked food, or plant based food, or vegetarian food, or non-veg food, whatever you want to have, you can have. But just saying like it's a non-veg salad, there is nothing called non-veg salad. Salad is just salad that contains vegetables, because salad is devised in Ayurveda focusing more on health, that is Shakvarga. As you know, Ayurveda supports vegetarian diets. It's not like they have not described meat diets, they have. When it is needed you need to take, but if your focus is more towards meditation, towards spiritual growth, toward consciousness, toward enhancement, towards awareness, it's best to have plant-based food, because it will get digested very quickly. And if you are spending some time in your sadhana, in your meditations, so vegetarian food is more suitable for this kind of lifestyle. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there's a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, you can hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. And all those of you who are supporting us, thank you so much. We are trying to incorporate all your suggestions and all your questions, and we are trying to make videos regarding that so that your problems will be resolved, and not even one person's problem will be resolved, everybody's problem will be resolved. And we are trying to reach as many people so that we can spread the knowledge of Ayurveda and health to everyone, so that no need to go to the hospitals. You will become doctor of your own. But yes, when it is needed, it's very emergency, definitely you need to choose a hospital, but at least a visit of the hospital, just like a hotel, you should not go. And I just wish like nobody should go to the hospital. That means nobody should fall ill, and they will take care of their health by adopting the conscious lifestyle, so that you will not suffer the way I suffered because of my unawareness when I was kid, and I was not from medical school, and I was not studying. So it is very important if we take care of our health, or if we know someone who has knowledge of health, because disease free state is not the definition of health. Health contains lot many things: consciousness, how we choose, how we live, how we deal our emotions, anger, and much more. But in the world, either hospital exists or home exists. Like okay, if you're healthy, you will not go to hospital. If you are diseased, you will go to hospital. So these kind of things are there, but I wish like everybody become aware about their health, their lifestyle, so that they should not go to hospital very often. They live in their home with their families, with their friends, happily, naturally, and no need to visit hospitals, and you become healthy naturally from within. But don't take this like I'm saying don't go to hospitals, I'm against hospitals. No, everything that is for well-being, we should make use of it, but at the same time we should use less and less hospitals, because if you are healthy, you need not to go to hospitals so often. So that's what I would like to convey. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, or if you want to take Ayurveda consultation, please write down to us. We will let you know how to schedule a consultation for you. And regarding questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. With this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share. Bye.